the squall. There were fish and crab aplenty, and we highline one and all. Back in the days when we went fishing, when we'd hit the harbor, we'd belly to the bar, with our pockets full of money and an aching in our heart. For we survived where others died, we'd thank our lucky stars. Back in the days when we went fishing. Here's a toast to all of those who sleep beneath the sea. Maybe they're the lucky ones, for they don't have to see how the men like us now sit and cuss and talk of how it was back in the days when we went fishing.